What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to look at how to use GoHighLevel for social media marketing agencies. If you sign up for GoHighLevel using our affiliate link below, you'll unlock an exclusive extended 30-day free trial. That's double the usual 14 days. Plus, we're throwing in over $2,000 worth of bonuses, including this landing page template. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so first thing that we need to do is to create a sub account, and let's choose a snapshot that is best for our social media marketing agency. So here, let's select marketing agency, and then let's fully set up this sub account. Okay, so we already filled out the necessary information, and let's create the sub account. So after creating the sub account, let's switch and you should be able to see your dashboard. So the first thing that we need to do is to integrate or connect all of our social media pages, especially Facebook and Instagram. So let's go Launchpad first and connect our Facebook page. Click connect and choose the business page that we want to connect to this account. So this is the right page. So click done. So now all the leads that you generate from Facebook ads can populate into our CRM right here under the opportunities and the pipelines right here. And let's continue to the next step. Let's go to settings and scroll down right here and click integrations. Once you go to integrations, click connect. And once we see this prompt, let's choose the correct social media page. Click update and continue. And there we go. Next is you can do the field form mapping later, or you can do it now. All right, so if you choose to set up the Facebook form fields mapping right away, you have to set it up first on your Facebook Ads Manager account. So I already created a test campaign, and it will automatically populate here since our Facebook page or our Meta account is already integrated on GoHighLevel. All right, so after setting that up, next thing that you need to do is to check your automation workflow list. Like any other snapshots that already have pre-made templates, we already have workflows that are already pre-built for the marketing agency snapshot. So take this, for example, the first one, new lead nurture, fast 5. So fast 5 means this increases the chance of lead conversion within 5 minutes. All right, so let me just explain this automation real quick. So since we are talking about social media marketing, so our trigger here could be from a claim offer from a funnel, but we're going to focus on the Facebook lead form submission. So the trigger is a Facebook lead form submitted, and then it will create an opportunity. It will go straight to the pipeline and then will be added to a long-term nurture workflow. And then we'll send a conversational email and then an SMS. Then there's a wait time for reply. And then there's a choice here if the contact replies or not, and so on. All right, since your business page is already integrated to your GoHighLevel account, you will create your form from Facebook Meta Business Suite. So this is the form that we have that we're going to attach to the workflow. And this is going to be a paid advertisement. So when you publish and run the ad, this ad will appear everywhere and your leads will be coming in from this ad. All right. And other workflows that you would like to integrate as well for your social media marketing would be these Instagram comment automation and Facebook comment automation, wherein there would be an automated comment reply to the comments on Instagram and Facebook posts. And there is also Facebook comments plus workflow AI. This also uses the workflow AI to respond accordingly to certain comments. All right, so now that we covered some of the helpful automation workflows that we have for capturing leads, so let's take a look at the opportunities. So let's say we already captured one lead and it will automatically be put here under the new lead. Just make sure to choose the correct pipeline. So here it's showing here, and other leads will be appearing here depending on how they navigate through the workflows. So as you can see, you can check the notifications here. So this one is for follow up. This lead also had contracts for review and positive testimonial for our service. So those are just samples of what you can see here. All right, next thing that I want to show you guys is using AI conversation chatbot to help you book an appointment or any service that you may have for your social media marketing page. So let's go to AI agents and let's click conversation AI. Click this, create your first conversation AI agent and click this. Basically customize this to appointment booking. So of course, if you use general Q&A, it's just going to answer inquiries. Or if you start from scratch, you can customize the entire chatbot yourself. But for this tutorial, we're just going to focus on the appointment booking feature. So click continue. So first you want to fully set up the chatbot. So set as primary and then rename the chatbot and then put it on autopilot and select Instagram and Facebook. So it's up to you if you want to remove the SMS feature. But what's important is that you have Instagram and Facebook. And then let's skip bot trial for now. You want to make sure that you put all your details here. You can configure the wait time, 2 seconds or 2 minutes. It really depends. You can configure your maximum messages the bot can send. This, of course, is paid with 2 cents per response. Next, let's go to bot training. So for the bot training, you can upload links. So the FAQs or the answers of the bot will be based on the links that you put here. But we're gonna skip this for now. So let's go to bot goals. All right. So again, this is already pre-made. So your primary goal as a bot here is to build trust and guide customers towards booking an appointment. So that's the main goal of our chatbot. You can configure this appointment booking. You can try to pick a calendar. So let's say schedule an appointment because that's the only calendar that we have available. And then click save. You can trigger a workflow, add contact info or stop bot. It really depends on your preference. But again, we're just focusing on booking appointments for our social media marketing page. So let's test the chat bot. Okay, so as you can see here, this is our sample conversation. So I was able to set an appointment for March 31st at 9 a.m. So as you can see, it's very conversational. So our chatbot works. All right, so let's go to calendars. And as you can see, when you filter our active calendar, schedule an appointment. So click, and then let's go to the date that we set up earlier. Even for the bot trial, it would still book your appointment, as you can see here. But of course, since it's just a trial, you can opt to delete this. So as you can see, all the details are here, booked by our AI chatbot. All right, so I also tested the AI chatbot on our Facebook page. So I tried to set an appointment as well. And as you can see, it gave the available slots that we have since March 31st, 9 a.m. is no longer available. It's not appearing here anymore. I set it at 2 p.m. on March 31st. So the chatbot confirmed, and let's go back to our calendar and hit refresh. So let's go again to March 31. So as you can see, there's already 2 slots here for booking. And then we get to social planner. So to access social planner, go to marketing and you will see this on the first tab. So we are now going to connect our Facebook account and Instagram. Then add the correct social media page. Then do the same for Instagram. And now we successfully connected our Instagram account. So as you can see, we already have our social media accounts connected. And what you can do here is you can save time by scheduling posts like what you do in Meta Business Suite. But Here, everything else is already in GoHighLevel, so you don't need to switch tabs and switch windows. So click Get Started, and you can already create posts like how you do it in Meta Business Suite. So just select an account. So let's select all. So now you can post multiple content for both of your platforms. And that is it for this tutorial. We just learned how to do basic setup for your social media marketing agency using GoHighLevel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And don't forget, if you're ready to try out GoHighLevel, use our affiliate link in the description to unlock an extended 30-day trial, over $2,000 worth of bonuses, and a free landing page template. See you in the next videos.